Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about OnePlus 8 and 8T ringtone problem. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8T you are having an issue related to the ringtone or the volume of the ringtone, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the ringtone problem in your device OnePlus 8 and 8T. Let's watch the video.